Hello guys, do you want to improve the video quality of your football videos? Like this.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other.
If so, you should subscribe to my channel. I'm giving you the link in the description. Check out Best Video Enhancer app, HitPaw VikPea AI. This application gives you a lot of tools, and you get a lot of things that are useful in video editing, like Video Enhancer, AI Color, Video Repair Tool, Watermark Removal, Background Remover, Video Stabilization Tool, and Increase Frame Interpolation. Select Video Quality Repair Model option and follow my export settings. $1080 to convert 8K, such a good results. Please wait, render process is continue.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other.
Your editing is quite boring, but don't worry. HitPaw VikPea, free AI color correction tool. Make good edit. HitPaw VikPea AI next level color grading tool. Follow my steps. This video editing tool also enhances your editing with better resolution and video repair with best color grading. Select Color Enhancement Model option and follow my export settings. Please wait, render process is continue.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run.
HitPaw Video AI tool provide best 8K video enhancer, AI color to help to our good color correction and improve your quality, video repair tool, and last AI toolbox including watermark removal, background remover, video stabilization, and frame interpolation. HitPaw VikPea free to enhance video quality. Buy HitPaw VikPea now. Get 30% discount with this promo. HPBD30. Link in description and comment. I hope this video is helpful to you, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. After Effects and Align Motion high quality CC for purchase, contact me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.